What's up and welcome to a new episode of Nouns Roundup. Nouns news in 3 minutes or less. Brought to you by the Nouns Square. Hosted by me, Jack Wiles. Let's throw 3 minutes on the clock and get cooking. Ledger's collaboration with 360 Nouns on a custom Ledger Nano S Plus, as designed by Greta Grimplin and Meshup, is now available for those who completed the Ledger and Nouns Square quests. So if you're holding a Traversing the Web3 Universe POK NFT, what are you waiting for? NounsFair shared some incredible pics of their setup at ETH GLOBAL Sydney earlier this month, where they passed out tons of Nounish swag and awarded the Nouns Prize to some really awesome builders. My personal favorite being the ALIBUDAHabit Builder, a way to promote maintaining healthy habits by granting stake rewards to other habit building winners and public goods organizations if you fail to maintain your healthy habit. It's pretty cool if you ask me. If you're interested in NounsFair or hackathons in general, check out the YouTuber Teji, a creator who documented his entire experience at ETH GLOBAL Sydney. Speaking of other cool creators, Super Tight Woody released an all-new NounsDAO CC0 sample pack for other creators. You can download it for free $99. Woody was able to release all this through the funding he received from the Artist Program. The Artist Program is small grant funding for artists by artists, and it was funded by Prop 488. If you're interested in participating or just want to check out some really cool things, make sure to visit artistprogram.org. Let's talk Nouns Esports because there's quite a lot. Matcha and Esports announced a partnership with coverage by the Nouns Square at the beginning of the month. Then immediately through the first ever Matcha Cup Online Smash Melee tournament with the best players in the world. Esports then passed Prop 531 100 votes for, 0 against for a Smash Bros Coast to Coast series of events, including the Nouns Invitational, a final in NYC with one of the largest prize pools of the year. And just this past week, the CS2 team became the first North American Rival Cup champs, presented by Lenovo Legion, and they were also ranked the #1 match of the tournament. I'd say this means Nouns Esports is on a bit of a heater. But if games aren't your speed, you're more of a cinema buff like myself, we've got tons of news for you there as well. First, we had the world premiere of Nouns Prop 179, Worst X Nouns Films, Don't Tell Peanut by Mark Horowitz. A Nouns Movie tweeted out some new screenshots, getting everybody excited for episode 3, which is just around the corner. And the feature-length doc, Shark Pickle Cone, finally released a trailer. The story of Stupid Buddy Studios and Nouns' unlikely journey to the 134th Rose Parade will premiere at Consensus Austin later this month, and folks are excited. The Nouns Square and Yellow Collective even got to hold a competition to see who could draw the official t-shirt. Meshup took it home, winning 0.77 ETH and a collective noun. But more importantly, his art will forever be remembered as the official Shark Pickle Cone Doc t-shirt. In some other cool news, Wide-Eyed Carl shared an awesome video of Noggle benches and sculptures being set up overlooking the iconic reservoir that is known as Heavenly Lake, showing off the power of CC0 assets and how they can make the world a better place. Friends of the show, Nouns Deli, just launched a new website. And even better, their featured artist for the 4th Deli Art Edition is none other than Harv MCM. You only have a few more days to mint this piece for free on Zora. Each mint enters you into a drawing to win the physical piece and a Harv MCM Blocks NFT. So make sure to mint that, and then don't forget to check out the Nouns Deli story Better Between Bread by us and learn more about Nouns Deli. You could also dive into our latest episode of ZeroPod with host Toady Hawk as he gets spacey with UFO founder Nick Hollins. To keep up with everything Nouns, follow us at the Nouns Square on Warpcast and X and join our yellow channel. That's going to be it for this month. We might have to start doing these more because honestly, there's so much news, it's hard to even sift through. But until next time, stay Nounish.